Have you ever wondered what would happen to a GoPro Hero 8 at 40 miles per hour if it flew off the back of your vehicle onto the road? Would you be able to find it? And if you did find it, what kind of shape would it be in? In this video, we're going to find out. So on October 31st, 2020, on Halloween, I took the Corvette out for a spin. I brought my GoPro Hero 8 camera with me along with my suction cup mount. I was mounting the GoPro in a variety of different positions to capture video from inside and outside of the vehicle. On the prior week, it had just snowed. Most of the snow has melted. This upcoming week, we're going to have temperatures in the 60-degree Fahrenheit range, so looking forward to that. But here I am taking the Corvette out for a drive. So here we have the GoPro Hero 8 mounted to the front windshield, and I'm pulling over to the side of the road to remove it from the front windshield and place it in the back of the car in approximately the position shown in this image right here. So here I'm backing up and getting ready to pull forward. After I take this shot here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull over to the side of the road. So basically, I was pulling over to the side of the road periodically to change positions from the front of the car to the back of the car. And then something bad happened. So where did this bad thing happen? Here is planet Earth. As we zoom in, where are we gonna go? Where are we going? We are going to the United States and into the state of Minnesota, and into the county of Wright, and just southwest of the town of Maple Lake is where this all took place. So on the bottom of the screen, we'll be seeing the 2006 Corvette appear. It is not quite going to be to scale. That's where we pulled over. I was driving north with the GoPro in the back, driving, and then at this intersection I pulled over to switch positions from the camera from the back to a different position, and it was gone. Now this was right around sunset, so I thought there's no way I'm gonna find this, but I better look. So I drove down the road, figuring it's probably gonna be in the ditches. I'll probably have to come back the next day when it's a little bit brighter out to see if I can find it. But I did find it in this house right here, right in the edge of the driveway. So what kind of a shape was it in? Well, here's the left side of the camera. You can see obviously some scuffing and scraping of the plastic. I'm hoping I can sand that down. Here's another view of the camera. You can see on the front lens, which is of course non-removable on the Hero 8, that it did take some scuffing on the top. So although it took a tumble, the GoPro still works, powers on, and records. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Here's what happened from the camera's point of view. So what kind of things can we do to prevent this from happening in the future? One is we could tether the camera to the vehicle. However, if the camera does let loose, it's going to be banging against the side of your car. So you're going to have to ascertain whether that's a risk that you're willing to take and whether that would cost more to fix the car and buff out the paint or fix the paint than it would losing your $400 GoPro camera. I would suggest always cleaning the surface of the paint before you mount your GoPro to make sure it's like not dusty where the GoPro is going to slide off. Also make sure the suction cup itself is clean so there's no dirt that's going to scratch your paint. You need to make sure to firmly press this thing down and clamp it down with the lock. Now this is with the GoPro mount, and then tug on it to make sure the thing isn't about to fall off. Another thing you can do is get a third party mount, such as this 3 suction cup mount. This one is way better than the GoPro mount. Rather than one suction cup failing, resulting in the mount coming off your car, there would have to be 3 individual suction cups that fail, which is just not going to happen. If you found this video helpful or informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. It costs nothing and gives you 7 years of good luck.